Oh, hi, this is Chris with AppleCare. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling about my laptop. I'm having some problems trying to get it to start.
Okay, what you want to do is locate your power source.
Okay, just give me a second here. Alright, I've located the power source here.
Okay, make sure it's on.
Oh, oh. I feel so ridiculous right now. I'm so sorry for wasting your time.
It's okay.
I've located the problem. There, I fixed it.
Good.
Thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
You have a nice day now.
You too.
What's up, dude?
Nothing much, just trying to fix my computer over here.
Well, is the battery charged?
No, man, my battery's dead. That's why I got it plugged into my outlet over here.
Dude, that's not plugged in.
What are you talking about? It's plugged in right here.
But your power strip isn't plugged in.
Yeah, it is plugged in right here.
You have to plug it in to get power.
It is plugged in.
You're an idiot.
Well, you're a goon. Wait a minute, hold your horses. Oh, got it.